Today we're gonna make one of these really quick hair tie bracelets. They're super fast. They actually don't require any sewing at all. You can make them just plain. So you can take your folder of elastic and just cut them and tie them. But I'm going to show you a real fun way to customize them. And it's super fast. These are actually really inexpensive. You can find lots of different colors of fold over elastic at the store, but especially on Etsy. That's where I got mine, and I'll leave a link so that you can see which store I bought them on. But again, they're really quick and really fun. So you're going to need some fold over elastic. If you're not familiar with fold over elastic, it is an elastic that you can, just like I said, fold it over. This elastic is a lot of times used with like lingerie, underwear. You can use it for headbands, hair ties. It has lots of great uses. It comes in lots of colors. I have 3 here. This real nice kind of gold yellow, a bubblegum color, and this fun royal blue. So we're gonna use the pink today. You can buy it by the yard. You can go to the store, and in the fabric section where they sell the elastic, you can purchase. Usually they come on little rolls of like 2 yards, maybe 3 yards. I think I got like 10 yards here. You can also, sometimes they do have them on some type of cardboard roll, and you can buy them like at your local fabric store by the yard that way as well. On Etsy, it's usually sold by the yard. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out a 9-inch piece of elastic, and I'm using pinking shears to cut off both my ends. If you want, you can use some fray check. This is what fray check looks like. You can use some fray check on the ends just to help make sure that it doesn't fray when you tie it and pull it. So you're going to have 9 inches, which means you need 9 inches. Oops. 9 inches of your, here, let's do this so you can see it a little bit better. You'll need 9 inches for whatever vinyl design you're going to use. So I'm just using hearts, and I'm making several of these for some girls at our church. So I'm just going to cut out 1 strand of these hearts here. And this fold over elastic is 5/8 of an inch wide. You can get it, I think it comes in a 1/2 inch wide as well. But for these hair ties, you want it to be this 5/8 of an inch. So with this iron-on, I'm actually using a stretch heat transfer vinyl. So it has a little bit of stretch to it, so that when I actually stretch the vinyl, it stretches with the elastic. If you use regular vinyl, sometimes regular heat transfer vinyl, sometimes it won't stretch, and over time it'll start to peel off faster. So I purchased the stretch. It's a little bit more expensive than the heat transfer vinyl, but it's gonna last a bit longer. And I'm just using my Cricut Mini heat press here to heat press these hearts on. Now you'll kind of see this elastic kind of curls naturally on its own. So what I found is I can kind of stretch it. Not stretch, that's not a good word. I don't want to stretch it, but I can kind of move the design so that it's centered as I go. And it actually doesn't take a lot of heat for this vinyl to stick to this elastic. You can kind of see that there. And I do 1 at a time. You could, I guess, just do like 1 continuous elastic. So just keep going and adding more vinyl as you go. But I wanted to save a little bit of vinyl, and you can see at the ends here, I don't have hearts on the ends. That just saves me a little bit of vinyl so that I can get a little bit more out of my sheet of this stretch vinyl. And that's it. It's really easy. So then the next thing that you do is you take your two ends together and you're going to tie it. Whoops, excuse me. Ooh, it's a little tricky. You're going to tie a knot at the end of your elastic. And I try and get it as close to the end as I can, just so that I'm keeping the majority of my elastic. But there you go. There's your cute little hair tie. And then you can cut out a cardboard piece like this. We have a pattern in the description that you can go grab. And you'll just add your hair ties to this fun little cardboard holder. And I have a blue one, so I'll add a blue one, so they'll get 3 fun little hair ties. And then when you download the SVG and you upload it to Design Space or whatever software you're using, you could add something on top, like, you know, if you're making it a gift, you could put happy birthday or Merry Christmas. You could put a quote. At the bottom, you could say who it's from. And then you could do like a print and cut with it, or, you know, you could just have it just plain like this, or do like a colored piece of cardstock or whatever you want to do. But it's a simple, really simple gift, super fun, and it's really easy even for kids to do. So this would be a great like do-it-yourself gift for kids. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.